a very different world that we live in today. A lot of people are now utilising working from home. They're having to invest in technology to be able to do that. When we talk about core records management, when people are working from home, it runs a bit of a security risk by delivering physical files back to a client. So what we're able to do today is digitise the records and provide a safe environment for them to access from anywhere. As our core service, it is document scanning. That's where we will provide scanning from legacy files, some files that have been in a warehouse for many years, for things that have a long retention period that need to be scanned. Or we might look at a day-forward scanning approach, where actually we will help a hospital, for example, with their upcoming appointments and scan all of the records ready for that appointment. Or it might be as and when required, we'll scan a document where a client can actually go into our system and order a file for digitisation there. On top of that, we have some other services such as data extractions. We're able to extract data from invoices, from mail, and do that automatically. So if you imagine the sheer amount of time that people spend manually doing that, let's say a claims department, for example, that takes a very long time to do, and it's a lot of effort.
If documents aren't in electronic format, you've got documents stored in lots of different locations, in filing cabinets, loose on desks, which means you've got very little control over those documents. So anybody can access it, things can get easily lost, misplaced, and finding it can be quite complex and difficult. In its most simplistic sense, we're creating an electronic filing cabinet. So first and foremost, being able to access the information quickly and from wherever you are, whether it be remote working, working from home, adding security to the access of those documents so the right people can only see what they're supposed to see, and then enabling the data and the documents to start working through you through automated platform routes is all part of the digital journey right at the beginning. There's multiple different platforms in which you can access the documentation. It could be through user interfaces you're already familiar with, so Outlook, your CRMs, your finance systems, etc. Or you can access them through mobile apps. So if you're working remotely, you can access it via tablets or mobile devices. All of our information can be stored in a cloud or on-premise, which means that whether you're working from home or an office, you have access to the documentation, providing your security enables that. In addition to the technologies that we offer, we have what we call a business process review. This is a consultancy approach where we come in and we look at how you're currently operating, what's good about it, what's bad about it, where the bottlenecks are, what technologies that you've currently got in place, and how we can help you achieve a business case for change. That enables us to ensure that the scanning element that you do at the front end is right from the very beginning, so that your outputs at the end of the digital transformation journey enable you to make those informed business decisions.
We have a fantastic group of people here, a very diverse team, and it's a team that really have quality ingrained in their culture. So we actually deliver 99.9% success rate in our images, which is fantastic. One of the things that we implemented this year was a customer questionnaire where we ask 10 simple questions to our clients, and it really helps drive some of the results and the things that we do in terms of the process here.
We're a close-knit team. I myself take part in every aspect of a project from start to finish. So when it's all done, we're getting to the end, and when finalising the project, I can kind of say, you know, I did that, I had a part in that.
One of the services I'm most interested in at the minute is our scanning and digitisation. For me, it's just a much greener way of doing things.
Crown's digital platforms deliver a range of services from content management, workflow, dashboards and compliance, all the way through to strategic consultancy, where we help customers manage the transformation that they promise to their stakeholders.
Utopia for any digital transformation journey is being able to make informed business decisions. Scanning and storing information electronically at the front end is the very beginning, but it's applying the workflows and the business intelligence to that information that enables you to finish your digital transformation journey. And actually, in more cases than not, it's just the very beginning, because you can expand that information and that approach across your business.